Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 7 to you, which is July the 7th through the July the 13th. We're making plans, giving directions. We're talking about the family desires and preferences. For this week, you're going to want to study pages 114 to 123 in your text, and you're going to want to review pages 27 to 37, 40 to 49, 58 to 66, 67 to 68, 78 to 84, and 96 to 100. After completing this week's assignments, you should be able to use classroom and leisure vocabulary as well as the present tense verbs and the expressions tener que, necesitar, and ir a to write a detailed description of what you need to do next week so you do not miss any more assignments. You should also be able to talk about your family and express your desires and preferences and be able to plan activities. This week's work addressed student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 5, and all of this week's work is due on the 11th. You want to start this week by watching videos on chapter 4, which if you open those up, they're right in there. Um, then, like every other week, click on the class participation form, click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about the material covered in the videos. And if you don't have any questions or concerns, then post that, but you have to post something because it is a grade. Then we are completing oral dialogue 3 this week. The workshop is in a different week because I'm recording this in advance, but you'll see something like this that says Oral Dialogue 3, and it'll be right above Oral Dialogue 3. You'll want to open that up and find, remember that you wrote a script and then a fellow classmate critiqued it as well as I did. Find the one that has my name on it, and you'll want to use that script to make your recording. So when you're ready, after you have your script, you'll open up Oral Dialogue 3, and then I've given you multiple options. I mean, this is the third one that we've done, so hopefully you know what you're doing at this point. If you watch this video, it will tell you how to use VidGrid, which is what I'm using right now, and you'll hit that record button. Just make sure that you paste your URL into your submission. Option 2 shows you how to do, if you use some other device on your computer to make a recording, how to upload it. Option 3 tells you how to use Vocaroo, and that's the link to Vocaroo, but again, you'll have to paste the URL into your submission if you do that. And option 4 tells you how to set up an account and use YouTube, but again, you'll want to paste your URL into the assignment. Below, you'll see the rubric that I'll use to grade you, and when you're ready, you'll hit Add Submission, and you'll either I think it's like right here. You'll either paste it, or you'll either embed a video you made on your computer, or you'll paste your link right here and then hit Save Changes, and it will come to me. And then I'll go through and look at I'll go through and listen to it actually.